President Emmerson Mnangagwa's allies in his home province, the Midlands, have reignited the push to extend his term of office, despite Mnangagwa himself having stated that he would step down in 2028. Sandapinda mashoko aiwa anobuda tiona kuti panapa kumuna nyara chiti our ED and Chiwenga are now in a fresh fight. But was subscribe or like or turn the bell like team now the renewed ambition for a term extension is rekindled tensions between Mnangagwa and his deputy Constantino Chiwenga following a temporary truce reached at the ZANU-PF conference in Bulawayo last month. Edson Chiwenga, a vocal supporter of the 2030 agenda in ZANU-PF's Midlands provincial chairperson, was adamant about the push for an extension. We want him to continue to rule, Chiwenga said at a meeting in Kwekwe last week. We went to the conference to endorse our resolutions with the Midlands province that Mnangagwa should extend his term until 2030. 2030 belonged to Emmerson Mnangagwa. ZANU-PF's Director of Information, Farai Marapira, echoed this sentiment, stating that while the 2030 resolution has been adopted at the conference, the party was still awaiting Mnangagwa's final stance. We respect democracy and the structures are allowed to speak their minds. That's the democracy of ZANU-PF, Marapira said. Despite the provincial push, Mnangagwa himself has publicly stated on 3 occasions this year that he plans to retire in 2028. Ndochitiko chatakuona kuti vakomana veMidlands vakusimudzira kuti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika ngaextend his term of rule. Tiona vachimuti aiwa ngatongosvika 2030. Zvatiri kuona kuti iye mutungamiri wenyika yeZimbabwe aiwa akapubliciza akataura pama3 events achiti haachadi aiwa akuda kunozorora. Zvidiko zviri kuitika nyika yeZimbabwe atiri kuona kuti aiwa vanhu vakanga vaona songe nhau iyi yapera aiwa but takuona kuti vakomana veMidlands vakusimudzira zvekare. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. NACHAMISA medu, subscribe or like and turn the bell.